Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Sapislive. So today we will see how to change theme of SAP GUI screen. So for changing the theme, we will go to this icon, customize layout. After that we will go to options. After that you can see here visual design, theme setting. In theme setting there are different themes available. You can see chords theme, chord stack theme. So there are different themes available. Currently we are using SAP signature theme. So now we will change it to chords theme. Okay, now click on apply and okay. Now we will log off the system, and now we will again log in. So now you can see the theme of SAP GUI has changed completely. Now I will log in and see. Now you can see the theme of SAP system is completely changed. So that's it for today. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep watching.